I'm going to go over this battery powered sprayer, and it accepts all Dewalt batteries. This is what it is. It's called an electric spray gun, professional power tools. This is what I normally use, my B&G right here. I have to constantly pump it all the time. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm just going to show you guys how well this thing can work for actual like weed killer, and you know what, using it for pretty much staining and painting and things like that. I changed it to the larger tip. To change out to the larger tip, you're just going to unscrew this, replace that right there. This piece right here pops in and out. It does have a little light that I just put on there, has a hanger right there. The Dewalt battery fits nicely down in there. I don't see any issues with that. That's the button to take the front off. I'm not going to take it off. Let me show you how it works. There's an adjustment. If you don't want to go full power, you can adjust right there, but you know what, I'm always full power. The weed control that I'm using is the Bio Advance. Kills and prevents weeds up to 6 months. And we'll just kind of like mix it right here. There is some mixing, but I'm just going to kind of eyeball it right like that. That would probably be enough. Now I'm going to fill this up with water. There's a couple of attachments that you could use on this thing, but like I said, I went with the largest attachment, and I will show you guys how well this thing works. Put that down on there like that, and just turn it, shake it up nicely. Go over here. Here's the dial for turning it on. Look at that. And if I want to go more spray, there's more spray right there, but I'm going to go on the most pointed one I got, just like that. Let me go around to the other side of the fence, and then I'm going to spray all down that other side. Let's just spray. Look at how well this thing works, everybody. This is going to take care of any of this grass that's growing around this thing. You guys see how well that thing sprays? Turn it on that. You know what? I'm going to start using this for my pest control too. I did this entire fence with this guy right here on one. I'm using the 5 amp hour Dewalt. I recommend using at least a 5 or 6. A 2 would probably be not long enough on this, because how much do I have left? I still got 2 bars, and I've been running. I actually did the other side. This is this side right here, but I don't see any problems with this spray gun at all. I think this is a great option for someone that's just doing light duty, do it yourself type projects, whether it's staining your own fence, running like some weed control or some pest control. This is the way I'm going to go going forward, everybody. I'm very impressed with one of these guns. That's all I got on the Dewalt style, without the Dewalt price, spray gun. See y'all in the next video.